everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and as you guys can see by the title, I am back with another wig review from UNice hair. UNice, however you guys pronounce it. Now, it's been a while since I've worked with this company, but they reached out to me recently and asked me to review their 6x4.5 pre-cut lace wig. Okay, so this is the wig that they sent me. It's a curly one, as y'all can see, and if you know me, you know I love me some curly hair. So if you're not familiar with my wig reviews, I will show you guys the construction of the cap, then I'll give you guys some more details about the wig, and then finally I will let you guys know how I feel about the wig. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So before I get into the construction of the cap on this wig, UNice did send me a couple of goodies, which I absolutely love. I always say I love when companies send me goodies, well, whether it's a melting band, wig cap, whatever. So I really do appreciate them for that. Now, as you guys saw, this wig has 3 combs. It has 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back. It also has an elastic band, and the cap is breathable. Now, once again, this is a pre-cut lace wig. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into some more details about this wig. All right, so this is the Wear Go 6x4.5 pre-cut lace curly human hair glueless wig. Now, the length that I have is 20 inches and it retails for $188.27. Now, they do have where you can divide the payments into 4 payments of $47.06. cents. Now it says that the density is 150%, which I do believe. It said this is an upgrade 6x4.5 lace closure for more versatile styling. The most realistic hairline ever with pre-cut lace. Offers you a professional salon experience. No more latex headaches. Secure with no glue or spray at all. 30 seconds install for the most natural everyday look. No aches, no sweating with the latest breathable wig cap. Multiple clips and adjustable band for a secure fit, and a special U-shaped silicone design around the neck offers you double security. All right, so some product details. It's a natural black color. It's 100% human hair. The texture is curly hair. Again, it's pre-cut lace, no glue, protective, breathable, pre-plucked, realistic, extra grip, no slip, and you can wear it 200 plus times. Now it is also beginner friendly, protective style, extra grip, no slip, secure fit. Doesn't take you any time at all to install it. You can wear it daily, all of that good stuff. And I think that's pretty much it. Of course, if I leave out any information, I will leave it down below in the description box for you guys. Now, I went ahead and I swooped a little baby hairs to the side because my forehead was really foreheading today. And I just wasn't completely feeling it. Today is one of those days when I'm not actually feeling a middle part. Now, I am free to do, you know, a side part, whatever I want to do. But it came as a middle part, so I wanted to review it as a middle part. But like I said, I went ahead and just swooped a little baby hairs to the side. Now, I didn't put much product in this wig. I just used some water and a little bit of mousse. I showed you guys how the wig looked in its natural state, and then I showed you guys how it looks with mousse and water. So this is how it looks dried, okay? I did show you guys when I wet it a little bit. This is how it looks dry right now. So I'm loving the texture. The texture is really nice. The hair is soft. It's really cute. The length is not bad as well. Again, it's 20 inches. So really, really cute. Nice and full. Perfect for on the go. Once again, it's glueless. So it takes you no time at all to install. You got to go to the store real quick. Put her on, okay? You decide last minute you want to go out with your friends and your hair is a mess, put her on, okay? So you know we love a glueless wig, and I love that this wig came pre-cut, okay? That saved me some time. So I really do appreciate the company for doing that. So she's cute. Okay, she's starting to grow on me a little bit. I've taken a couple pictures. Today is one of those days where it looks better in person versus the pictures, okay? But she's cute. I like her. She is a cutie, okay? So real quick, I showed you guys already, but I want to show you guys again how glueless she is. Now, I do have a wig cap on, but the wig cap is all the way back here. So my hair is actually in the front, okay? But I'm gonna show you how glueless this is. So I'm gonna take my comb and just go like that. I'm just gonna go like this since I have baby hairs, okay? Look at that. Glueless. Glueless. Takes you no time at all. So I want to thank the company for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it. And of course, I hope to work with them again in the future. You guys let me know down below what you think about this wig as far as the texture, the length. How do you feel about pre-cut lace wig? This was my first time getting one, okay? And like I said, I really do appreciate them for doing that. So let me know how y'all feel about that, okay? But that is pretty much it for this video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you will not miss new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you in my next one.